watching Learn How to Draw Hub, and I'm your host, Nathan Johns. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Mario. I'm really excited. I hope you guys are as well. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, that's whack, dog. We make really great content. You should watch it every single day. Awesome. Well, a few supplies that we'll need, as always, includes a blank piece of drawing paper, and you'll need a black Sharpie or pencil, as always. Now, we're going to need a few different colors today. We'll need a yellow, we'll need 2 shades of blue, we'll need a baby blue, and a darker blue. We'll need a darker brown and a lighter brown. We'll need a red and a tan skin color. Well, I think we can do really great. Let's go try to draw Mario and let's see what we can come up with. For the first step in making Mario, we're going to make one curved line and then we're going to make one line underneath. This will be the beginning of Mario's hat. Over to the left, in order to make Mario's ear, we're just going to make a C-like shape. From that C-like shape, we're going to make one big curved line going over to the right side of what we made before. Now on the left, next to Mario's ear, we're going to make a sideburn. Hopping over to the right side, we're going to bring down the right side of his face. And we're going to bring down the left side and connect it as well. Awesome, great start. Now we're going to make the right ear of Mario, and then we'll make his hand right next to his ear. Now we are going to head down below Mario's face, where we will begin to make his overalls. Now we're going to make a curved line coming down from that circle that we just made. And then from that curved line, we're going to make Mario's left foot. Now connect that leg to the circle, and then we're going to start to work on Mario's left hand and arm. Fantastic! Now we're going to hop over to the right side where we will finish Mario's overalls. Now we're going to draw a curved line and then we will draw one more, which will be the beginning of Mario's right foot. Later in the video, when we color Mario in, you'll notice that we will color in his shoes a light brown color. Now we're going to move up. We're going to add detail to Mario's face. Mario's nose is similar to a backward C. The next step will be to make Mario's eyebrows right below his hat. Below the eyebrows, we're going to make basic circles, which will be Mario's eyes. Awesome, we're almost finished. Now we're going to begin to make Mario's mustache. Now we will make Mario's pupils. The final step will be to make the M on Mario's hat. This is How to Draw Mario. Thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. Now color him in with us.